Hello friends, and welcome to my kitchen. I hope you all are doing well. So if you are new here, you are highly welcome, and if you're returning, thank you so much, and I appreciate you all. So in today's video, we are going to make turkey stew. You can see how beautiful, how yummy, how delicious this looks. So without any delay, let's jump right into it. So here I have already seasoned the turkey with all the required ingredients that I need, and after that I'm going to cover the pot and allow to cook. Here, as you can see, this is cooking beautifully, and I'm going to cook this for exactly 25 minutes. So my lovelies, in the pot we have extra virgin olive oil, we have diced onion, and I am just pouring in my fresh bell peppers and tomato into the pot. However, I am going to go ahead and fry my tomato puree, and then I'll add this into it, and after that, this is what we got. So after some minutes, you can see that the tomato has fully dried up all the water in it, and by now we are going to start adding all the dry ingredients we need. And after that, I am going to stir this carefully and prepare to add our protein. Yeah, so just so you know, I grilled this turkey for about 10 to 15 minutes, and I'm going to transfer everything inside my stew and stir it a little bit and allow to cook. So now I'm adding turkey stock. So here I'm going to go ahead and add the rest of the dry ingredients. And be careful not to break the turkey. So I added Maggi, Ihuru, and curry. Some of these are optional. And I'm going to cover the pot. So this is how our turkey stew is looking. It is bubbling in here. So by now our stew is almost done, and I'm going to go ahead and add fresh basil. So yeah, and after that I'm going to go ahead and cover the pot and allow it to cook for a few minutes, and that is it. So my lovelies, we paired this with white rice, broccoli, and carrots. So let me know what you paired yours or what you're going to pair yours with, and give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comment down below. Let me see what you think about this stew, because it came out beautifully and delicious. So my lovelies, if you have watched till this moment, or you are the real MVP, and I thank you also so much for watching, and please tap on the bell icon to be notified each time I upload a new video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next one. Thank you and God bless. Bye bye.